Okay.
My Lord,
Yes.
well, the defendants, I want to draw the attention of my Lord to the written address filed by the claimants in reply to our final written address,
Okay.
particularly paragraphs 4.4,
Yes.
4.4,
Yes.
paragraph 4.4, that's the claimant's
Yes.
written address, 4.15,
Yes.
and 4.17. And I draw the attention of the court to these paragraphs to show that the counsel was running commentaries and not evidence before the court. He was running commentaries and not evidence before the court. He was running commentaries and not evidence before the court.
Okay.
And
It's okay.
okay, all right, sir. I want to support this an authority that the court should not the court should discountenance those commentaries by the learned
Please
counsel.
adopt.
All right.
Adopt.
I urge the court to
Please.
dismiss the case of
It's
the,
okay.
of the
Adopt
claimant. Thank you very much, my Lord.
Okay. Okay. Yes, Mr.
Yes.
Chinedu. Yes. Mr. Chinedu. Where is Mr. Chinedu?
Mr.
Seems
Chinedu is there.
having issues with the network.
My Lord is having issue. Is a video, is
Mr.
a
Chinedu.
okay,
My
he has
Lord.
just unmuted. He has just unmuted.
He has muted his device before.
My Lord, the
Yes.
final written address. The final written address
Yes.
of the claimant was dated and filed on the 24th of January, 2022.
Yes. Yes.
My Lord, we
Yes.
settled 3 issues for determination by the court.
Yes.
My Lord, we adopt the 3 issues as our argument in this matter
Okay.
and urge my Lord
Yes.
to grant all the reliefs
Okay.
claimed by the claimant in this matter.
Okay. Okay.
My Lord, by way of very short adumbration,
Yes.
the issue in this matter is the dismissal of the claimant on grounds of gross misconduct.
Okay. Yes.
My Lord, we have been able to show that there is no misconduct in this matter. All the issues raised by the defendant were not proven, and we are clarified and rebutted by the claimant.
Okay.
Yes, my Lord.
Okay.
My Lord, we humbly urge my Lord to find for the claimant to hold that the dismissal was wrongful and to grant him his entitlements and claims that are very simple and in accordance with law.
Okay. Okay.
We are very grateful, my Lord.
You're welcome.
My Lord, may I just correct the written address is dated 16 December 2021, not 2020, my Lord. I'm sorry about that.
No problem.
Yes, sir. I'm most
It's
grateful.
noted.
All
It's
right.
noted.
I'm most obliged. Yes, my Lord.
Given the circumstance, this case is hereby adjourned for judgment on a date to be communicated to the parties.
As the court pleases, we are most grateful, my Lord.
As the court pleases.
You're welcome. The registrar of Court 10
My Lord, we are
Lagos
very
Division
grateful.
with us. The registrar of Court 10 Lagos Division, is he with us? We've started. He has not joined. He has not joined the proceedings. I wonder why. The second case on the course list is with suit number NICN LA/229/2018 between Joy Apulenu Ogu and Keystone Bank Limited. Parties.
My lord, the defendant is represented.
Okay. Claimant is absent.
Yes, my lord.
Defendant represented by
Julius Oyedeji, my lord.
Julius
Oyedeji.
Oyedeji. Who
Yes,
is
my
he
lord.
to the defendant?
My lord is in the Human Resources Department.
What is his designation?
By his statement on oath, I think Human Resources.
Counsel, I cannot see you. Please turn on your video so that we
Oh.
can see who is speaking.
Yes, my lord.
Better.
I'm here, my lord.
Counsel may announce appearance.
With utmost reference to my lord, my name is Peter Olomola.
Olumelu.
Olomola.
Peter.
Olomola. My lord, I appear for the claimant. My learned friend, Mrs. Abibat Bankole Aquino, appears with me, sir.
With
Mrs. Abibat Bankole Aquino.
Bankole.
Aquino, company, sir.
Yes.
And my lord be pleased. I'm A.O. Kolawole.
Yes.
I most humbly appear for the defendant.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
A. Your name?
My lord,
My lord, I'm A.O. Kolawole. Adenike Kolawole.
Yes.
My lord,
the
for the defendant.
final address. Okay, sir.
Yes, Mr. Olomola.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the matter is for adoption of final address.
Yes.
And we are ready to go on, sir.
Is there Kolawole? Mrs. Kolawole?
My lord, I have an application to regularize my process. My lord, the application is dated 17th November 2021.
And filed when?
My lord, it was filed on the 24 November 2021.
What filed on 24?
Yes, my lord. November 2021.
Mr. Olomola.
I'm not opposing, my lord.
My lord, I humbly seek to move in terms of the motion paper, sir.
Go ahead.
My lord, I'm so grateful. I humbly move in terms of the motion paper. I'm grateful, sir.
The defendant's application is granted as preached.
As a couple, please. My Lord, we are grateful.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
My Lord,
Olawole.
my Lord, the defendant filed a final address on 24 November 2021.
The defendant's
Final address was dated 24 November 2021.
and filed when?
My Lord, filed on the same day, filed 24 November 2021.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord. My Lord, we also filed a reply address. It was dated 22 June, 22nd of June, 2022. 22
And filed
June.
when?
My Lord,
Filed
yeah,
when?
it was filed 22nd of June, 2022.
And dated what date?
The same 22nd of June,
Okay.
2022. My Lord, we humbly adopt these addresses as an argument in support of the defendant's case.
Okay.
My Lord, in brief adumbrration, sir, the claimant made reference to some sister cases in paragraph 3.53 of their final address involving some employees and Keystone Bank.
Yes.
My Lord, also the defendant in paragraph 6.1 of our final address.
Yes.
6.14, I mean. My Lord, we also
Yes.
made reference to some sister cases.
Yes.
That are related to this matter. My Lord, I humbly seek that your lordship be persuaded by the decisions of the brother in the 5 sister cases that are on all fours with these present suits.
Okay.
My Lord, there was no way we could just oblige the courts, the CTC without permission. So if we have your lordship permission, we may forward the judgment to your lordship. I'm equally aware that the claimant had filed an appeal. I've been privileged to see the notice of appeal in respect of the judgment. My Lord will be glad also if your lordship could permit parties to oblige your lordship the notice of appeal equally in determination.
To apply what? To apply?
To provide, to submit the
Counsel,
judgment.
I have read the address and I noted the fact that reference was made to judgment delivered by my learned brother, Basi G, in sister cases.
Yes, my Yes, my Lord. But my Lord, there was no, your lordship had not had cause to consider the notice of appeal. That's why I'm also bringing that to your lordship's notice.
The notice of appeal, the notice of appeal is not in any way vital to the determination of this case.
As a
it just tells us that parties are aggrieved and they have even filed an appeal.
Yes, my Lord, but then it shows the parts of the judgments that they were displeased with. The appeal was not a whole appeal; it was a partial appeal.
Counsel,
my Lord.
The decision you are referring to is of my learned brother and is of persuasive effect.
Yes, my Lord.
Isn't it?
It is, my Lord.
Yes. So you raise your arguments. Is for me to decide one way or the other.
Or the other.
So your point is noted. Your point is noted. Yes. Yes, Mr. Olomola.
Yes, as the court pleases, my Lord, 2 things before I adopt my final address. My Lord, my final address was filed on the 8th February 2022. 8th of February 2022, my Lord. Yes, ma'am. So it contains the argument I want to urge on my Lord on behalf of the claimant.
It was filed when?
My Lord, it was
filed when?
8th February, 8th to 2022, sir.
Okay.
Yes, my Lord. It contains all the argument I would like to urge on my Lord in considering the case of the claimant and urging my Lord to grant the release of the claimant.
Okay.
Yes, my Lord, two things I would have loved to say, but my Lord has already said one of it. The judgment of Honorable Justice P. Bassi, the fact told by my learned friend, is never and is not in any way binding on my Lord.
Yes.
So my Lord is not bound to follow the reasoning of Honorable Justice Bassi. That's number one. Then number two, my Lord, my learned friend made reference to a reply address now. Unfortunately, as at this moment, my Lord, I have not been served with any file reply address. I was surprised when my learned friend mentioned the fact that she filed it as far back as June. But I won't want to truncate these proceedings since I have no right of reply to whatever she has filed.
Yes, of course.
But if I have been opportune to go through it, at least there may be part of it I would have pointed out to my Lord whether to strike out or not. But unfortunately,
well, they have right to file reply.
Yes,
and the claimant has no rights to file any Lord, further reply. So we're going to look at it.
As the
we're going to look at it. Yes.
But my Lord, I believe we should have been served.
Of course.
Yes, but unfortunately, we were not served. For reasons best known to my learned friend, it's only at exactly 11 a.m. this morning that I received some messages from her informing me that she filed reply addresses, which she discovered that have not been served on us. My Lord, I don't think that's fair.
It's not fair.
So my Lord,
not fair.
Yes, I adopt my final address, my Lord.
I think they filed the reply yesterday. They filed it yesterday.
As the copies.
I was copied. I received the soft copy of the reply address last night.
As the copies.
And I received the hard copy, the scanned hard copy, this morning.
As the copies.
Yes, the one that was received.
My Lord is if I receive such copies, at least I would have been able to look at it. So, my Lord, I adopt my final address filed on the 8th of February 2022 and urge my Lord to grant all the reliefs claimed by the claimant. We are very grateful.
It's okay. It's okay. You're welcome.
The court, please.
Given the circumstance, this case is hereby adjourned for judgment to 29th of September 2022. Tomorrow.
As the court, please.
You hear me?
As the court, please.
As the court, please. My Lord,
would we are stopped.
The time.
Hello?
My Lord, sir. The time, sir.
Yes? Well, they will notify you.
As the court, please.
Immediately we rise, I will ask them to make arrangements.
As the court, please.
They will notify you about the time.
As the court, please.
Yes. Please let me stand down the other matters for just 5 minutes. I will be back.
As the court, please.
I have to look for somebody to aid me in bringing the files up to the table. And there is nobody. Where am I in the chambers? Hold on, please.
As the court, please.
Yes. Yes, counsel. We are back.
My lord, we are here, sir.
Okay. The next case on the course list, that is number 3. Number 3 is suit number NICL/LA/230/2018 between Oluwaku Stella Adeseun and Keystone Bank Limited. The parties present.
My lord, the defendant is represented.
Okay. By
Julius Oyedeji, my lord. Julius Oyedeji.
yes. Okuma Resources.
Yes, my lord. Human Resources Manager.
Yes.
My lord,
Representation.
With
Representation.
my lord, my name
Yes.
is Peter Olomala. Peter Olomala, my lord. I
Yes.
appear the claimant, and my learned friend, Abibat Bankole Aquinomisis.
Okay.
Abibat Bankole Aquinomisis appears with me.
Okay.
may my lord be pleased.
Hold on.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I'm A. Okolawole. I most humbly appear for the defendant.
Okay. Yes.
Yes, my lord, we have an application for extension of time. It was
Okay.
dated 17th November 2021. And filed on 24 November 2021.
You have an application.
My lord, it was dated 17th November 2021.
Dated what date?
17 November
And
2021.
filed when? And
It was
filed
filed
when?
on 24 November 2021.
Yes.
My lord, we humbly seek to move in terms of the motion paper, extension of time to file our final address.
Mr.
Olomala,
Olomela.
I'm not opposing the application, sir.
You may move in terms of the application.
My lord, I humbly move in terms of this application. I'm most grateful, sir.
The application is granted as free.
As the court pleases.
My
Lord, before that application was filed,
Yes.
I filed an application dated 5th October 2021.
Yes.
Pray my Lord to foreclose the right of the defendant to file a final written address.
Yes.
It has now been overtaken by offense.
Yes.
And I urge my Lord to strike it out, sir.
When did you file?
My Lord, it was filed on the 7th of October 2021, 7/10/2021, sir.
Yes.
I urge my Lord to strike it out.
Olawole?
My Lord, I have no objection, sir.
The claimant's application is hereby struck out at the instance of the claimant.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
My Lord, the defendant filed a final address. My Lord, it was dated 17th November 2021.
Yes.
But filed on 24 November 2021. 17th November 2021 and filed on 24th November 2021.
Okay.
And Lord, we also filed a reply address. It was dated and filed 22 June 2022. 22nd of June 2022.
Okay.
My Lord, we humbly adopt these addresses as an argument support of the case of the defendant. I'm most obliged, sir.
Okay.
My Lord,
okay.
The claimant's final address was filed on the 15th of March 2022, sir. 15/3/2022.
Dated what date?
My Lord, dated 11/3 but filed on 15/3. Dated 11/3 but filed 15/3/2022, sir.
Okay.
I adopt it as the claimant final argument in this case, sir.
Yes.
I urge my Lord to grant the release of the claimant. We are very grateful, sir.
You're welcome. This case is hereby adjourned to September 29th, 2022 for judgment.
As the court pleases.
The court please. I'm most obliged, sir.
You're welcome. The next case is number 4 on the course list. With suit number NICN/LA/231/2018, /2018. between Olabode Stephen Osho and Keystone Bank Limited for adoption of final written address.
As the court pleases.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, the defendant is present.
Claimant absent.
As the court pleases.
My lord, I think the claimant is present. I saw him. My lord is
Where
present.
is he?
Stephen
Where
Osho.
is he?
Yes,
I
I'm
cannot see.
present. I'm present. Yes.
Yes,
Good morning, my lord.
Morning. Defendant is represented
by Julius Oyedeji, my lord. Human Resources Manager.
presentation of counsel. Presentation of counsel.
My lord, Peter Olomala is my name. Peter Olomala.
Yes.
I appear for the claimant.
Yes.
And my learned friend, Abibat Bankole Akpina, Mrs. appears with me. Abibat Bankole Akpina appears with me, sir.
Yes.
My lord, I'm A.O. Kolawole. I most humbly appear for the defendant.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, the defendant filed final address. My lord, it was dated.
This case, remember, you agreed to trial or record procedure.
As the
Yes,
court
This matter.
yes.
Unlike in the other ones where the case involved hearing of witnesses. I think in this one, it was the claimant that filed first and they are to adopt.
As the court pleases.
You get me?
As the court pleases. My lord,
Kolawole, did you get me?
My lord,
I do.
saying?
Huh?
I do, but my lord, our confusion came when the claimant filed final address twice. So we were a little bit confused.
You don't know what he wants to do. Maybe he seeks to withdraw the earlier one. Well, the claimant counsel is here. Let's see what they are going to do with the two addresses. Yes. But in cases where parties choose to adopt trial or record procedure, it is the claimant that usually file first. And the claimant is also to adopt first.
As a corporate.
In case of any need for reply in this procedure, it is the claimant that is going to file reply, not the defendant.
Wow.
As the court pleases.
My lord, we filed reply because we were.
This procedure, the reply is not amenable. Defendant's reply is not amenable to this procedure, honestly.
As the court pleases, sir.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
Because,
Mr. Olamola. Go ahead.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I filed an application which obviously was unnecessary, and I will humbly. Yes, my lord. I filed an application dated 5th October 2021, which is unnecessary. Yes, my lord. My lord, I'm with my lord, sir.
Yes. On what date?
My lord, I'm back here. I think it's a network problem.
When did you file the application?
My lord, it was filed on the 7th of October 2021.
Yes.
My lord, I seek to withdraw it and urge my lord to strike it out.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Kolawole.
I seek to
Kolawole.
my lord.
You concede?
Oh, my lord, I have no objection.
The claimant's application filed on the 7th of October 2021 is hereby struck out at the instance of the claimant.
As a corporate.
As a corporate, my lord. My lord, the
Yes.
address I seek to adopt is the one filed on the 2nd of November 2021.
What do you seek to do with the other one?
My lord, I seek to withdraw it.
So you lay a foundation. You file 2 addresses. The first one,
Yes, my lord.
dated blah blah. The second one, you want to withdraw one and leave the other.
No, my lord, I seek to withdraw it and urge my lord to strike it out.
Let me have a kind of foundation laying.
My lord, I filed 2 addresses in this case.
Yes.
I no longer want to proceed with the earlier one.
The first one,
My lord, I seek to withdraw it.
dated what date and filed when?
My lord, I don't have the copy here with me.
Kolawole?
My lord, I have no objection, sir.
Olomola, you should be well armed with your record, with your file. Huh? How can you just tell me that it was the first one?
My
When
lord,
was it?
we are appearing in 2 offices, my lord. I'm very sorry, sir. We are appearing in 2 offices. I'm sorry, sir.
But then, you filed before the defendant. The first one was filed,
Yes, sir.
and the defendant reacted
Okay, sir.
on November 24th, that I can see. But I cannot see where the... Is it really here? You can see Clement's reply. Did you actually file 2 addresses, counsel? Huh?
My lord, I only have the one filed on the 2nd of November 2021. And my learned friend's one filed on the 24th of November 2021.
The one of the defendants is dated
My lord, 24th.
okay, 24th of November. But I have
Yes.
one of 2nd of November. I don't have any other one apart from that.
I don't have any other one here too with me, sir.
So
Maybe
it
my
means
learned
you
friend
didn't
and
file
that-
2. It
I
means
have
you
it.
did not file 2 addresses. You only filed 1.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
My lord, I seek to adopt it. I urge my lord to grant all the reliefs claimed by the claimant, sir.
Yes. Kolawole?
My lord, the defendant filed a final address. My lord, it was
Yes.
dated 17 November 2021. 17 November 2021, but filed on 24 November 2021. 24th November 2021.
17th, but
17
filed.
November 2020, filed on 24th November, 24 November 2021.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, I humbly seek to adopt the address, the argument in support of the defendant's case.
Okay. This case is hereby adjourned to 29th of September 2022 for judgment.
As the court please.
The court please. I agree to, sir.
Next, the next case is number 5. Number 5 on the course list. With suit number NICN/LA/232/2018 between Omubo Iyerepaka and Keystone Bank Limited for adoption of final written address. Yes.
As the court please.
Yes.
My lord, the defendant is present, sir.
Claimant is absent.
Yes, sir.
Defendant presented by
Julius.
Ayodeji
Yes, my lord. Julius.
Ayodeji, Human Resources Manager. Yes.
Yes.
Presentation.
As the court please. My lord, my name is Peter Olomola. Peter Olomola,
Yes.
my lord. I appear for the claimant. My learned friend, Abibat Bankole Akwena, appears with me, sir.
Yes.
My lord, I'm A.O. Kolawole. I most humbly appear for the defendant. I most obliged, sir.
Yeah.
My
Yes.
Lord, we have an application to regularize our final address. It was dated 17th November 2021. And filed on 24th November 2021.
It is dated
17th November 2021.
but filed
On 24th, 24 November 2021.
Olomola.
My lord, I'm not opposing the application, sir.
Move in terms.
My Lord, I'm grateful, sir. I humbly move in terms of the motion bill.
The defendant's application to regularize her final written address is granted as read.
As a corpus. My Lord, I also have an application dated 5th October 2021, sir.
Okay.
5/10/2021. It was filed on the 7th of October 2021. 7/10/2021.
Please come again.
My Lord, I have an application dated 5/10/2021.
Yes.
Filed on 7/10/2021.
Yes.
My Lord, the prayer was that the Honorable Court should foreclose the right of the defendant to file a final address.
Do you even
has
need
now
to
been
do that?
overtaken by offense.
Okay.
As a corpus. So I urge my Lord to strike it out.
Olawole,
My Lord, I have no objection, sir.
no application for cost. Move in terms, Mr.
My Lord, I move in terms of the application.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, you are seeking to withdraw.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The claimant's application dated the 5th of October 2021, but filed on the 7th of October 2021, is hereby struck out at the instance of the claimant. Yes.
My Lord, the defendant's final address was filed, my Lord, is dated 17th November 2021. 17th November 2021, but filed on 24 November 2021.
Yes.
My Lord, we also filed a reply address. It was dated 27th September. It was dated and filed 27th September 2022.
Yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday. Okay.
My Lord, we most humbly adopt the addresses as an argument in support of the defendant's case. I'm most grateful, sir.
You're welcome.
Yes, my Lord, like I said in the sister cases, the reply address was never served on me, and justice demand that I should at least have a
You have made your point.
As a corpus.
You made your point. Just adopt your address.
As a corpus, sir. My Lord, the claimant final address is dated 17th January 2022. 17th January 2022.
And file one.
On 20 January 2022, 2022, sir.
Yes.
I seek to adopt the address, sir, as the final argument of the claimant in this case.
Yes.
I urge my Lord to grant all the reliefs claimed by the claimant.
My Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, I have forwarded the reply addresses, the soft copy to Mr. Lomola today. And my lord,
At
the bailiff told me.
11 at
Yes,
11.
my lord, the previous one, the 2 cases that we did, I filed that one since June 2022, and we have set those ones. I did not know that I didn't get it. I'm only talking of the ones of yesterday.
This
Those are the
point
ones
has been made. This argument
Yes.
have been canvassed before now.
My lord,
So there is no need for you
soft
to
copy.
bring it again. Huh?
Yes, my lord, I've given soft copy, and the
I
beliefs
believe
on the
you
note
were
is copy.
served. You were served with the hearing notice of today's sitting since last week. You have had an ample time and the opportunity to file reply since that time, but you didn't.
My lord,
It was only last night that I received a soft copy of your reply, and I had to belabor myself and read it.
my lord, I'm grateful, sir. I'm very grateful.
The matter is hereby adjourned to the 29th of September 2022 for judgment.
As the court
As the
please.
court pleases. My lord, we are very grateful.
You're welcome. The last case on the course list is suit number NICN/LA/236 between Pascal Chamunoemi George and Keystone Bank Limited. Yes. Parties.
My lord, the claimant is absent.
Dependents. Presentation of counsel.
With utmost reference, my lord, my name is Peter Olomola. Peter Olomola. My lord, I appear for the claimant. My learned friend, Abibat Bankole Akpina, appears with me.
Yes. Who is appearing for the defendants? Is Mrs. Kola Ole not in this case?
My
Lord,
lord,
I'm not in this case, sir.
Who is the defendant's counsel here?
My lord, the hearing notice was sent to me, and I reverted back to the registry that I was not the person to be served. I hope the rightful counsel was served.
Who is the... When were you served? Mrs. Kola Ole.
My lord,
When were you served?
the hearing notice.
Yes.
My lord, I'm trying to confirm.
Who is the counsel in this matter? Did you know him?
No, my lord, I've never seen him.
Okay, let me stand down this matter.
I was served on.
Let me stand down the matter for 5 minutes to find out from the registry.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. If actually is served, then you have no point to wait.
As the court pleases.
Mr. Olomola. Yes, unmute your device.
As the complices, incidentally, I was just calling the lawyer on the other side when my lord came in.
Okay.
My lord, can I conclude the call?
Yes, continue. Let me wait. Continue.
My lord, I'm very sorry. Yes, I'm calling you in respect of Tamuno George and Keystone. My lord is standing your matter down. Today is for final address on factual final adoption of final address, but you are not in court.
Why are you calling me today? I'm not aware that the date has been changed.
I'm so sorry. I'm just the lawyer on the other side. It's because you didn't appear. That's why I offered to call you. Sorry, I'm the lawyer on the other side. Now I'm not to call you. You are to be.
My lord.
Yes.
I received one notice on 20th September and another one on 21st September.
Okay. Okay.
So, and I forwarded the messages to 08026009659. That is the number of the registrar that I was not the right person to be.
Okay.
Yes, I notified them that I was not the defendant's counsel in that case.
Okay.
I think that was where the mixed up was. I was the one that was served.
Okay. The information I got from the registrar when I stood down the matter was that he sent text message to the lawyer, Mr. Umubiko, and the message was delivered. I said to him that I was not satisfied with that mode of service. If there was an acknowledgement from the lawyer, then I am rest assured that he is aware. But in the absence of acknowledgement, I cannot act on the statement. Yeah, I cannot. So.
My lord, as an officer of the court,
yes,
and a minister at the Temple of Justice, I actually called him now. He said he was not aware that he presently now is on the road in Ikorodu coming from another court. That's the information I have from him, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. My lord, Peter Olomola is my name. And Abiba Abankole have been appeared for the claimant.
I've already recorded your appearance.
As the complice, sir.
The defendants and her counsel are not in court, and there is no proof of service of the hearing notice of today's sittings on any of them. We cannot proceed with the adoption in the circumstance. The case is accordingly hereby adjourned to the 27th of October 2022 for adoption of final written address.
As the complices. We are very grateful, my lord.
That is the end of today's proceedings. We will meet tomorrow.
As the complices.
When I finish, the registrar will communicate the time for the delivery of the judgment.
As the complices.
Including the first case we did this morning, the first case that I adjourned to communicate the date. So I think we have to deliver it tomorrow. I will call the registrar and give instruction for
as the complices. We are grateful, my lord.
Party to be served. You are welcome. Thank you for your time. Till we meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes, we are grateful to
be fully robed tomorrow. I'm constrained to sit this manner because the key to where my wig and gown have been kept has been missing for some time, and I
No,
had
actually,
the
I
option
have
to
everything
sit
here,
like
sir.
this. But tomorrow I will be fully wrong.
I thought my Lord
Mark
preferred
you.
this demo. That's why I remove everything. At the beginning of the
Tomorrow,
proceedings,
everybody should
I
be
was
fully
fully
wrong.
robed like my learned friend.
Thank you.
I will comply fully tomorrow, sir.
Thank you.
As the copy is, we are
I
grateful,
guess,
sir.